Alright, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to see sort of the usefulness of pointers. It's a bit hard to see the usefulness so far, but we can see how they're used and where the usefulness will come from a little later. So I'm going to declare another short, and I'm going to give it a value, and let's say that's there. Okay, and that's A, it's got 12 in it. Now I'm going to create a pointer, okay, remembering that if I want to point to A, it needs to be a short pointer, and I'm just going to call that pointer 1. And I will store the address of A in there. So we go ahead, we're using 4-byte memories, addresses, so that'll go there. This is called pointer 1. And we're storing 0016E568. Remembering that the actual value of the addresses doesn't really matter too much. Alright, now what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce another variable. And this is going to be variable B. Now, what I'd like to do is get the value from A, but through our pointer. And this is where dereferencing comes from, okay? So what we're going to do here is I'm going to write star pointer 1. So star removes a star from the type, okay? Now, this might look a little bit strange because we saw the star before. So we have two different uses of star. So if you see type star, then we're declaring a pointer. Where if we see star and then the variable name, then we're dereferencing. Sorry, dereferencing. Now with this, we've got two things that we could use it in. We could either use it on the left-hand side, and what this is saying is I want to go to that address and store the value here. If I see it on the right-hand side, I'm saying go to that address and grab the value. Okay? So here, because it's on the right-hand side, I'm saying go to this address and grab the value. So this would give 12, and we'd store 12 in B. So if we create B, it would now store 12 in it. Now, I said this removes star from the type. So this is handy when we want to check if the types are suitable on the left and the right-hand side. So B's a short. Pointer 1 is a short star. But by adding the star in the front, it removes the star from the type, and we get a short becomes a short. So that's perfectly fine. Now, if we put the star on the left-hand side and wrote pointer 1 becomes 22, we can double check that our types are suitable. So 22 is suitable for a short. It's actually an int, but we can use it as a short when we store it. And on the left-hand side, we have a short star, and we remove the star, so we've got a short. And all this is saying is we want to store 22 in the place where this address points to. So we want to store it here. So we store the 22 here. Okay? So we can see that indirectly, without using A, I was able to get values from A, and I was able to store values into A without actually using A. Okay, so this can be really handy when we get to the next couple of things. Okay, so hopefully that made sense. We'll do a couple more examples in the lab, and I'll go through some more of this soon. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you.